Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Grace Anello and the Way31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
All right, the Way31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network picking up on dry conditions in the valley right now, but far from dry conditions to our west. Take a look at Missouri and Arkansas. A strong front is moving through that region, bringing severe thunderstorm warnings and even tornado warnings to the region. Now this front and this system is tracking east, but it's going to leave those more severe warnings to our west. We're expecting storms tonight, but not of the magnitude we're seeing in Arkansas currently. All right, right here a little bit closer to home at 5:18 p.m. It is just cloud cover, but plenty of it on our radar, and our Sky Camera network, powered by Thompson Roofing and Construction, is confirming that, showing the exact same thing. We've said goodbye, most of us, to the sunny day that we had this morning and this afternoon, and it's now turned to mostly cloud cover, gray, stormy, rainy clouds at that. Temperatures sitting in the mid and upper 70s. Now, we talked about how that storm threat is mostly to our west. Now, just a sliver of our far western shoals and southern Tennessee counties in yellow are in a level 1 out of 5 risk, but I really think most of that severe weather is going to stay to our west. It will just be strong storms in our forecast tonight. As we're heading through the rest of this evening, it's the chance for some scattered rain, but not many of us will see that through about bedtime. After bedtime, temperatures will cool into the mid 60s, and that's when we'll start to see more of those storms come into the forecast. The front pushes in about 12:30 into the shoals and continues to track south and east, and at that point mixes with more rain that we're watching from the south. That will come up through Birmingham and bring rain to areas east of the I-65 corridor. So right around 2 a.m. it's going to be a very busy and active radar with plenty of rumbles of thunder and plenty of gusty wind. The good news is, though, this system tends to get out of the way by about the time we wake up. This is Sunday at 6:30, and temperatures are in the mid and low 60s for most of us. We'll have 1 or 2 little backfills of rain and showers on the back end, moving from Madison County east into Georgia, but for the most part, many of us will be dry from the time we wake up on Sunday, and all of us will be dry by the time you get out of church or head to lunch on Sunday. Now again, the tornado threat is not zero, but it is very low. The biggest threats are strong wind and torrential downpours, and that's what we'll be monitoring for you tonight. Your Sunday morning, though, well, starts off cloudy, but then becomes sunny. Like we talked about, there's a little bit of a lingering chance for rain through about 9 a.m. At 10 a.m., temperatures still sitting in the low and mid 60s for us, and at that point, conditions getting a whole lot sunnier, a whole lot faster. For your outdoor dining forecast, I'm actually giving us 5 stars for lunch. We'll still be seeing some of those clouds get out of the way, but temperatures will be warm with a high in the upper 60s, and by dinner time, we'll be cooling off just a little bit with clear skies and temperatures closer to the mid 60s. All right. That was a lot to talk about. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. Sunday, we're talking about morning rain and then afternoon and evening sun. Monday, very breezy, about a 10 to 15 mile an hour breeze, but plenty of sun on tap. We'll keep the sunshine and the trash pandas in Toyota Field for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We've got scattered storms on Friday that leads into first thing rain on Saturday morning.